Hi students, let us continue with chapter 19 Fundamental Operations on Algebraic Expression. So in our previous class we had completed exercise 19C. So today let me continue with exercise 19D. So here we will be dealing with division of polynomials or monomials, trinomials, etc. Okay. So basically we will be dealing with division of monomials. So let me directly start with the exercise. So you'll get a clear idea how to do the problems based on this. Okay. So the first main we have divide. (3a by a) we have. So how do we do it? 3a by a. So I can cancel a and a. Okay. A divided by a will be 1. You know that any number divided by the same number you will get the answer as 1. So same thing we are using here. So you'll get a divided by a is 1. So 3a divided by a, that is 3. Okay. Coming to the second sum question. 15x by 3x. 15x by 3x, how do we do it? So x and x if I cancel, 3 goes 1 time, 3 goes 5 times. So you get 5. Okay. So your answer will be 5. Coming to the third sub question, we have 16m by 4. So let me write it like this, 16 by 4. M is not here, so M will not get cancelled. 16, 4 ones are, 4 fours are, right? So you'll get 4M. Fourth sub question we have 20x square by 5x. 20x square by 5x. X goes 1 time, 2 times, so you'll get 5 ones are, 5 fours are. So you'll get 4x as the answer. Fifth sub question we have 30p square by 10p square. So p square and p square is getting cancelled. So 3. So your answer will be 3. Next one we have 14a cube b cube by 2a square. 7s are, a ones are, so you'll get 7a b cube. Next one, seventh one, 8p cube r square by 3p cube. Okay, so pq and pq is getting cancelled. 8 ones are, 3 ones are, 3 6 are. So you'll get 6r square as the answer here. Now coming to the second one, simplify we have. Simplify. So here, first sub question we have 2x to the power of 5 divided by x square. 2x to the power of 5 by x square we have. So x is getting cancelled, so you get 3, 2 and 5. So here 5 minus 2 will do. So how much you will get? 2x to the power of 3. Okay. Second sub question we have 6a to the power of 8 divided by 3a to the power of 3. 2 sir. So 2 a to the power of 8 minus 3. 2 a to the power of 5. 20xy divided by minus 5xy. So 5 ones are, 5 fours are, minus 4 you get. Minus 24a square b square c square by 6ab. So ab, a and b once it will get cancelled. 6 ones are, 6 fours are. So your final answer will be minus 4 ab c square. Fifth one we have minus 5x square y divided by xy square. Okay. In this case, this x will get cancelled and this y also will get cancelled. Finally, you will get the answer as minus 5x by y. Sixth one, 40 p cube q to the power of 4 r to the power of 5 divided by 10 p cube q. So p cube will get cancelled. q, 4 will become 3 times. One of the q is cancelled, right? Again 4. So what will be the answer? 4q cube r to the power of 5. Seventh one, minus 64 x to the power of 4 y to the power of 3 c by 4x cube y square z. 4 goes in 64 how many times? 16 times. So we'll get minus 16xy. (35xy to the power of 5 by 7x square y to the power of 4. 7 ones are 7 5s are. 5y by x. Okay, hope it's clear, kids. Let us do the third main now. Divide minus 3m by 4 by 2m. Okay, so how do we do it? I can directly do it like this. Minus 3m by 4 into 1 by 2m, right? When you multiply the fractions, when you divide the fractions, what you used to do, you need to take the reciprocal and multiply it, right? So m and m will get cancelled. So finally I'll get minus 3 by 8, right? Second sub question, minus 15 p to the power of 6 q to the power of 8 minus 5 p to the power of 6 q to the power of 7. P to the power of 6 and p to the power of 6 is getting cancelled. 5 and 15 is getting cancelled, you get 3. So 7 times q is getting cancelled, q remains only once. So what you get? 3q. Third sub question we have minus 21 m to the power of 5 n to the power of 7 by 14 m square n square. 7 goes 3 times, 7 goes 2 times. Again, so minus 3 by 2 m to the power of 2 and 5 and 2 we have. So m to the power of 5 minus 2 is 3. N to the power of 7 and 2 we have. N to the power of 7 minus 2 is 5. So your answer is minus 3 by 2 m to the power of 3 n to the power of 5. Coming to the fourth sub question, 36 a to the power of 4 x to the power of 5 y to the power of 6 divided by 4 times x to the power of 2 a to the power of 3 y square. So how can we do it? 36 by 4 gives you 9, right? 9 a to the power of 4 minus 3 will give you a. X to the power of 5 minus 2 will give you x to the power of 3. Y to the power of 6 minus 2 will give you y to the power of 4. Okay. Fifth question, 20 x cube a to the power of 6 by 5xy. 20. 5 4s are 24. X to the power of 3 minus 1 is x square. A to the power of 6 by y. Sixth one, 28 a square b cube by c square by divided by 4abc can be written as 28 a square b cube by c square into 1 by 4 abc. 7s are. So 7 a square minus a b cube minus b square and by c cube. This will be your answer. Okay. Coming to the next one. Seventh question we have 2a square by 9b square by 3b by 2a. Okay. So I can write this as 2a square by 9b square divided by, so into 2a by 3b. Correct? It's division, right? So we'll take the reciprocal and multiply. So you get 4a cube by 27b cube. Hope it's clear. Eighth question we have minus 5.5 x to the power of 4 by y x to the power of 2 by y by 11 by x by y. Okay, so how do we do it? We can do it as 5.5 x square by y into y by 11 x. So y and y is getting cancelled, one of the x will get cancelled, so finally you will get minus 5.5 x by 11. Okay, so what is minus 5.5 x by, so if I make it as 55 by 110, how do I get 5 go 55 goes one time, 2 time, right? Two times you'll get, so you'll get minus 1 by 2 x as the answer, or minus x by 2. Okay, coming to the next one, 9th question. 64 x square y square by c square by 8xy by c. So dividing, take the reciprocal and multiply. 64 x square y square by c square into c by 8xy. 8 ones are 8 8s are 64. X and y get cancelled. C and C will get cancelled here. So finally we have 8xy by C as the answer. Okay. So similar way, kids, you can do the fourth main yourself. You can complete it. It's similar way how we have done all these problems. Okay. Now coming to the fifth main. Let me do the first question. We have 9x cube minus 6x square by 3x. How do we do it? So till now we have done with only monomials, right? So 9x cube by 6x square, right, by 3x you need to do. So you need to directly separately take them. 9x cube by 3x minus 6x square by 3x. 3 ones are 3 3s are square, right? 3 2s are x. So what you get? 3x square minus 2x. Similar way, coming to the second question, we have 6m square minus 16m cube plus 10m to the power of 4 by minus 2m. So 6m square by minus 2m minus 16m cube by minus 2m plus 10m to the power of 4 by minus 2m. m is getting cancelled, 6 3s are. So first one, again 8 m square, it will become 5, m goes, so 1 it goes, it will become 3. So what you get here, minus 3m, minus into minus plus 8m square, plus into minus is minus, minus 5m cube will be the answer here. Okay, so let us do the third sub question here. Third one, we have 15x cube y square plus 25x square y cube minus 36x to the power of 4 y to the power of 4 by 5x square y square. 15x cube y square by 5x square y square plus 25x square y cube by 5x square y square minus 36x to the power of 4 y to the power of 4 by 5x square y square. Y square and y square is getting cancelled. 5 ones are 5 3s are. 5 ones are 5 5s are. X square is getting cancelled here. Again 36 and 5 we cannot divide it, right? So x square and y square will get cancelled. 2s are 2s are, right? 1s are. Again here only 1 x will remain, right? So what will be a final answer? 3x plus 5y minus 36x square y square by 5. Okay, hope it's clear to you, kids. So similar way, try doing the last sub question and the fifth main also, and complete the fourth main. Thank you, students. Let us continue in the next class with a new chapter.